Okay, today we will be learning in this unit 3.1 about thousandths. We've already learned about our ones place, our tenths, our hundredths. So let's attempt the first problem. We have 3 hundredths. Remember that we've already learned that any place value to the left of a place value is 10 times as much, and any place value to the right of a place value is 1/10 of. So let's find 10 times as much as 3 hundredths. 10 times as much means the digit shifts to the left. So when we write this, the 3 would no longer be in the hundredths place. It would have shifted left and end up in the tenths place. So 3/10 is 10 times as much as 3 hundredths. All right. Let's see what is 1/10 of 3 hundredths. All right. 1/10 of 3 hundredths means the digit 3 shifts to the right because the place value to the right of a place value is 1/10 of. So when we write it, we got to make sure the digit shifts from the tenths place to the thousandths place. So when you write it, we got to make sure that the 3 is in the thousandths place. So 3 thousandths is 1/10 of 300. All right. You can always remind yourself of our place value, and this unit includes the thousandths. All right, let's attempt the second one. 8/10. So 8/10. We want to make sure we line our digits under the correct place value. Okay, so we have 8/10. Now, remember 10 times as much, all right, means the digit shifts to the left because the place value to the left, okay, is 10 times as much as the place value to its right. All right. So 10 times as much. So now the 8 is in the tenths place, but 10 times as much means it shifts to the next place value, which the next place value to the left is 10 times as much. All right. So I want to shift the digits from the 8 from the tenths place to the ones place. All right. So when I write my answer, I want to make sure I indicate I only have 8 ones. See, the 8 is in the ones place when I shift it to the left. So 8 is 10 times as much as 8/10. All right, let's do 1/10 of. Well, remember, we're starting with 8/10. So let me write it here. And 1/10, remember each place value is 1/10 of the place value to its left. So if I'm here, the place value to the left is 10 times as much, but the place value to the right is 1/10 of the place value to its left. All right, so the 8 would not be in the tenths place. I have to shift it to the place value to its right. Okay, so when I write it, I got to make sure the 8 is in the hundredths place. So when I write it, I make sure the 8 is in the hundredths place. So 8 hundredths is 1/10 of 8/10.